The action camera market is set to get a major shakeup with the upcoming release of the GoPro Max 2, expected to launch in mid-July 2025. As GoPro continues to push the boundaries of 360-degree videography, the Max 2 aims to refine and enhance its predecessor's capabilities while introducing new features designed to appeal to both professionals and casual users. With upgraded hardware, improved stabilization, and an expected price tag of around $599, the GoPro Max 2 could very well be the hidden gem in the action camera industry. But how does it stack up against the competition and its predecessor? Let's take a deeper look at why this camera could be a game changer. The original GoPro Max was known for its ability to shoot immersive 360-degree footage while also functioning as a traditional action camera. However, despite its versatility, it had its drawbacks. The video resolution, while respectable, lagged behind some competitors. Its stabilization was impressive, but newer software developments have since left it feeling a little outdated. Battery life was another concern, particularly when shooting in full 360-degree mode, as it drained power quickly. Additionally, low light performance was mediocre, making it less reliable in varied lighting conditions. With the Max 2, GoPro appears to be addressing many of these concerns head-on. One of the most notable upgrades is the expected jump to 6K 360-degree video recording. This is a significant improvement over the previous model's 5.6K resolution, promising crisper and more detailed footage. For those who prefer shooting in traditional wide-angle mode, the Max 2 is rumored to feature a higher resolution single-lens mode, bringing it closer to the quality seen in GoPro's Hero lineup. This improvement means users won't have to compromise on image quality when switching between modes, making the Max 2 a more versatile tool for content creators. Another key advancement is the introduction of an updated stabilization system. While the original Max featured GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization, the Max 2 is expected to take things further with an enhanced version, potentially Hypersmooth 6.0. This upgrade will likely provide even smoother footage, making handheld and high-motion shots look professional with minimal effort. The introduction of an improved horizon leveling feature is also anticipated, allowing users to capture perfectly leveled shots even in the most dynamic environments. Battery life has been a major talking point, and GoPro is rumored to have made notable improvements in this department. The GoPro Max 2 is expected to come with a higher capacity battery, extending recording times, particularly in 360-degree mode. Additionally, improvements in power efficiency could mean less overheating and better overall performance during extended shooting sessions. While exact battery life figures are still speculative, users can expect a noticeable increase over the previous model, making the camera more reliable for long recording sessions. Low-light performance has been another area where GoPro has been working to improve. The Max 2 is rumored to feature an enhanced sensor with better low-light capabilities, allowing for clearer, more detailed shots in darker environments. This improvement is particularly significant for users who want to capture nighttime adventures or indoor activities where lighting conditions aren't always ideal. Combined with improved noise reduction algorithms, this enhancement could position the Max 2 as one of the most capable 360-degree cameras for low-light shooting. Another notable improvement is the Max 2's potential software advancements. The original Max had a learning curve when it came to editing 360-degree footage, but GoPro has been refining its software to make the process more intuitive. The Max 2 is expected to introduce a streamlined workflow, making it easier to reframe, edit, and share 360-degree content directly from the GoPro app. Features like AI-powered auto-framing and improved voice control could further enhance usability, making the camera more accessible to a wider range of users. Connectivity is another aspect where the GoPro Max 2 is likely to see enhancements. Faster Wi-Fi transfer speeds, improved Bluetooth connectivity, and even potential support for 5G-enabled cloud uploads could make sharing footage quicker and more seamless. These improvements would be particularly beneficial for content creators who need to upload footage on the go without waiting for lengthy file transfers. Durability has always been a strong suit for GoPro, and the Max 2 is expected to continue this tradition. The camera will likely feature an upgraded waterproof design, allowing it to be submerged deeper than its predecessor without needing an external housing. This could make it an even more attractive option for divers, surfers, and adventure seekers who need a reliable camera in extreme conditions. Additionally, improved lens protection and the possible inclusion of scratch-resistant coatings could enhance the Max 2's longevity, making it a worthwhile investment. When comparing the Max 2 to the competition, it becomes clear that GoPro is aiming to maintain its position as the leader in the 360-degree action camera market. While brands like Insta360 have introduced compelling alternatives, GoPro's combination of robust build quality, refined software, and ecosystem support gives it a competitive edge. The introduction of higher-resolution recording, better stabilization, and improved battery life solidifies the Max 2 as a serious contender against rival offerings. Price-wise, the expected $599 tag places the Max 2 in the mid to premium range of action cameras. While not the cheapest option, the upgrades and refinements make it a strong value proposition. For users looking for a capable 360-degree camera that also functions well as a traditional action camera, the Max 2's price seems justified. If GoPro includes valuable accessories or introduces bundled deals, the overall package could become even more appealing. One of the key factors that could determine the Max 2's success is how well it integrates with GoPro's existing ecosystem. Compatibility with existing accessories, seamless integration with the GoPro app, and cloud-based editing solutions could further enhance the user experience. If GoPro manages to refine its software to make 360-degree content creation more accessible, the Max 2 could become a go-to option for both casual users and professional videographers. With a mid-July 2025 release date on the horizon, anticipation for the GoPro Max 2 is building. If the rumored upgrades hold true, this camera could represent a significant leap forward in the 360-degree action camera space. By addressing the limitations of its predecessor while introducing meaningful enhancements, the Max 2 has the potential to become a standout choice for those looking to capture immersive content. Ultimately, the GoPro Max 2 appears to be more than just a minor refresh. It could be the next big step in action camera innovation. While it remains to be seen how well it performs in real-world conditions, the expected improvements suggest that it will be a highly capable device. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a vlogger, or a professional content creator, the GoPro Max 2's combination of high-resolution 360-degree video, improved stabilization, better battery life, and refined software could make it a must-have tool. If GoPro delivers on its promises, the Max 2 could indeed be the hidden gem that redefines what's possible in the action camera market. Thanks for watching.